topic that is often appears in the parliamentary hall is related to the issue of LGBTQIA+. Here's my friend reporter Azira in Bandar Baru.
Hello, we are back in FGD News. Today I'm here to get some opinion from people who experience the drastic move of LGBT by themselves. So, yeah. Okay, hello Mr.
Yeah,
What's your name?
Haziq.
Okay, Mr. Hazir. I'm Hazira from FGD for News. So, I want to ask you some question about LGBT. Can I?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, what's the effect of LGBT do you think?
In my opinion, the person who involved in LGBT activity will get many types of disease. One of them is HIV and AIDS. HIV is a virus that attacks cells in the immune system. The virus destroys T helper cells and makes copies of itself inside the cell. On the other hand, AIDS is a syndrome caused by HIV. A person is said to have AIDS when their immune system is too weak to fight off infection and develop certain defining symptoms and illnesses. If left untreated, this is led to death. The second one is chlamydia. Chlamydia is a common sexually transmitted disease. It is caused by bacteria called chlamydia. The third one is gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is a venereal disease involving inflammatory discharge from urethra or vagina. The fourth one is human papillomavirus, or known as HPV. HPV is usually harmless and goes away by itself, but some types can lead to cancer or genital warts. The fifth one is bacterial vaginosis. Bacterial vaginosis is a type of vaginal inflammation caused by the overgrowth of bacteria naturally found in the vagina. The sixth one is trichomoniasis. Trichomoniasis is caused by infection with protozoan parasite called Trichomonas vaginalis. Signs of trich include irritation and itching, smelly, discharge and painful or frequent peeing. Chlamydia, gonorrhea, trichomoniasis, bacterial vaginosis, and HPV are some of the common diseases that we get by them. I think that's all for me.
Okay, thank you for your information. Thank you. Okay, so next, I will introduce you Mr. Amin, the factor that influencing people to be in LGBT community.
Thank you. For me, LGBT is like a trend in our community. Surely, it's not a normal trend, and there are some causes that lead someone to get involved in this trend. First, it is because of lack of knowledge in religion. Some people receive different education in their life. So some people who didn't receive well education in religion are the most high risk to they get involved in LGBT. All the religion are not supporting LGBT. It's because this trend actually gives harms like disease and many more. The second one is happened because they had been born with the opposite sex gender. For example, a person who was physically born female instead feel a deep inner sense of being male. This mismatch lead them to get involved in LGBT. We should give moral support to them by stay with their true sex gender. Surely they didn't ask to be born like that. And next, it's because of lack of parental guidance. Nowadays, most parents are working to less burden each other to earn money for their family. It's not wrong, but if they can manage their time wisely between the working and their family, their children will well manage. And their children also not to tend to do something over their parents' expectation like involved in LGBT. So working couples should give full attention to their children as they really need parental affection during their growth, especially as a teen. I think that's all I can give. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your response, Mr. Amin. From me, I'm Hazila reporting from Bandar Baru, back at Salma at FGD News Studio. Bye!
Okay, this is the end of the news. Thank you, Hazira. Please clap your hands for our presentation.